up, everybody? It's been so long since I posted a video on a Thursday, and it's Thursday, so you know what that means. Today, I will be unboxing this giant box, which I was going to put off until Wednesday, but as you can see, I'm in my kitchen, and this thing is huge, and so I gotta get rid of the box, so I gotta get the stuff out of it so that it's a little more mobile, and we actually have some room to walk around in our kitchen. So, I'm gonna unbox it right now. Sorry, I'm just really excited. Okay. So, first things first. There was a little damage on the box. You can't see it because it's on the other side, but there was some damage on the box, so I will kind of open it up and make sure that everything was in there and wrapped up tightly before starting this, because I didn't want this to be like a I hate everything video, because I'm just in a really good mood, and you know, we just want to avoid that kind of stuff. So first things first, we got this big old package. Got this. Anybody have any ideas what this is? Yeah, let me. So as I pull stuff out, comment down below what you think it is, and then when I show what it is, go back down and reply to your comment and tell me if you were right. And I reply to all comments, so me saying that I'll reply to it is just kind of obvious at this point. Then we got this big boy. I feel like this one's pretty obvious if you know literally anything about cars. But now I'm gonna break this down, because this was the big problem with the whole it being everywhere and taking up most of, actually all of the kitchen. We have like just enough room to walk through. So I'm gonna break this down and I'm gonna get back to you. Meg, I can build a box for it.
I'm proud of you. I'm happy.
This is where I'm gonna go when Megan's mad at me now. I'm not gonna break this down. This is my house. Alright, let me get one of these opened up. So the first one up is the most obvious. It's super obvious this is a bumper, but we gotta find out what kind of bumper. So, for those of you that are just clicking on this video for the first time, I am in the process, well, first of all, I am Dylan. Second of all, I'm in the process of restoring a salvage 350Z, which will be purpose-built as a drift car. I used to have a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, otherwise known as an Evo, and it was a ton of fun, but it was super expensive, and I wanted something I could actually build and have fun with and not feel super bad when I scratch it up or something like that. So, we're building a drift missile, but unfortunately, I was raised that I used to race dirt bikes, and my dad would make me wash my dirt bike before every single time I took it out. And that's just kind of ingrained in my head now. So even a drift missile, I gotta make it look really good before I take it out anywhere. So that's where we're at now. So this car, when I got it, it was obviously salvaged. It had some things that needed work to it, done to it, and it needed some parts before it could actually get the title. And so I thought I may as well get something I like rather than getting OEM parts and just changing them out later. So I went and got a body kit. And for those of you expecting something different and revolutionary, I'm sorry, because the 350Z is an old car, so there is not a whole lot I can do to make it stand out. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. So this part kind of gives away the next part, but it's okay because I had to give away one of them, and you already knew what this was. So this is a Rocket Bunny V2 replica bumper because if you haven't noticed by the title of this playlist, is Flat Broke Garage Builds, because I am flat broke. And so we had to go with a replica. I would have loved to have gotten the real one, but replica for now. It's already cracked though, that's a super bummer. I'm gonna have to call the shipping company because that box was beat up when I got here. And that's...
Is it cracked?
Yeah, it's cracked.
The one half of it is like already open too whenever I brought it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call a shipping company. Not cool, guys. So, you've probably already figured out what these are by now. Especially being a Rocket Bunny front bumper. If you are familiar with the Rocket Bunny kit, you're also probably thinking, missing a few parts there, bud. Yes, there is rear over fenders and a spoiler to this kit. However, not a big fan. I don't really like the rear over fenders because I just think they're too much. They're too much. It just, like the 350Z already has like a really wide rear end, and adding another like, what is it, 80 millimeters to the back end of it just makes it way too big. And I don't like the way it looks. And I really like the way, like, IamDylin, Matt the Ginge, and Taylor Ray have their cars with just the front over fenders. I think it looks really good. So I thought I would combine them both, and we're gonna go with Rocket Bunny front over fenders and OEM rear over fenders. Or, well, lack thereof rear over fenders. We got a lot of body work to do. Alright, what do you know? One piece that isn't cracked already. So I guess it's kind of a win. Oh, no. No, it's cracked too. Yeah, definitely calling the shipping company. This is super frustrating, but luckily, we know how to do body work, so it's still gonna be cool, still gonna be alright. But it's still super frustrating. You know how it is. But either way, I'm super excited to get this stuff on the car. I got some other stuff coming in the mail. I'm going to skip the unboxing on that stuff though and just go straight to the installation. I got to help my dad actually clean out his garage so that we can get the car in there and start working on it. And then as soon as we do that, these are going to be going on it and we'll get a video of that. And so I'm super excited things are actually happening to this Z. The 350Z is a car that I've wanted for a really long time. I've always wanted a wide body Z, and I kind of just grew into the Rocket Bunny. I just always wanted a wide body, always liked the Rocket Bunny, and I know it's super overdone now, but I don't care because it's what I wanted and it's my car, so whatever. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below. I'm super excited for this build, and I'm super excited that things are actually happening with it, and I can't wait to get it together and show you guys what's going on up here and what I'm planning on making it. Check back Saturday for another regular video. Follow your dreams, kids. Alright, so I wanted to go back and talk about the damage on the body kit. It's been a couple days, and so like the initial like hype of getting it has worn off, and now I'm just like really bummed about it because we could probably fix all of the damage, but it's just super like annoying that it's a brand new kit. I didn't want to have to fix a brand new kit. I wanted to just line it up, bolt it on, and paint it. And so it's really bummed out, but I did email the company, and we are talking back and forth, trying to come to a resolution. And so I'll get back to you guys on that one. But right now, just super bummed. But I'm not gonna let it get me down. We're gonna keep going.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here